just have a model house
But
finished.
they finished. Wow.
Still they have no availability inside. It's just really the model house though. Can we look through the window? Hopefully.
Hi. Nice house, huh, Riker? It looks good house. Yeah.
So we're gonna make an appointment to see the house, inside of the house. Checking to see. Oh, so messy still, huh? So they're entering through here. Design center. Okay. Here is the place where you choose all those extra options to add onto your house. So usually the house comes bare and you're gonna choose all those backsplash on the kitchen counter, you know, tile, floor, any door, the cabinet options, color, sinks. Here is the place that you're gonna choose all that options. But usually it's more expensive than market out there. So what you do is you buy a house in bare format. Like, do not add any additional expensive things, because if you do that, then your house sale price going up, then you gotta pay more taxes. So what you do is you buy a house and you upgrade on your own by hiring a third party. It's locked. I don't want to trespass, so I'm just like looking to the garage. Okay. So they have what, 3 different residents. I can really see it, huh? Okay. Appointment only. I think this house first advertised the house as starting at what, like mid 700, mid to, I think early, it's like starting up early 700, I think, and now they change, it's a late 700 to mid 800. City National Bank, it might be a Korean American bank, I'm not sure. I feel like that's what it is. Anyhow, but I don't know, this whole area is developing and it may go over 1 million pretty soon. So if there's a chance, I want to chip in, but I don't think I can afford to buy one at this point. That's such a nice location.